Good morning. It's May 6th, 2026. Here's my Wallapini and food forest here in Denver, Colorado, Zone 6. And the storm is still going. We're having more accumulation. It rained all day yesterday and turned to snow in the evening. I've shaken the trees off a few times. And no snaps, no breakage yet. But you can see the leaves act like a sail and catch the snow, especially because it's cold or heavy wet snow. So this pathway I wouldn't be able to walk through right now because of the branches hanging. But overall, I'm really happy with this moisture. We've had a very hot, dry winter. This is one of the biggest precipitation events so far of 2026. The mountains, I've heard, in some passes have gotten over 20 inches of snow, which is good for our water reservoirs and resources. Here's my little pond. Recently put some cattails in there. Hopefully they'll help filter the water this morning. But I wanted to just show you what we contend with here in terms of our weather. I've grown in some extreme environments at the equator, very far north in the northern hemisphere, but Colorado is uniquely dynamic, I would say, especially here on the Front Range. The mountains affect our climate, and I'll be sure to show you the thaw when all this snow starts melting. It's supposed to be 70 and sunny tomorrow, and 45 and sunny this evening, so things will start melting. I'll post an update this evening. Thanks for watching.